Hello, Mr. Titan.
A friendly Titan is attacking your target. A friendly Titan is attacking your target.
Let's get him. Wreck him.
We are being attacked by multiple Titans.
We wrecked them, boys. We wrecked them.
Enemy Titan down.
Keep the scrap live. Oh, hi there, sir. Would you like a laser to the face?
An enemy Titan is attacking.
I can't see anything.
Warning. Severe reactor damage to detected pilot.
Hi. Little piece, bro. Nope. So much nope. Hi, fellas. Oh, no. Kicked him in the face. I forgot how fun it was to play this game. There's a person.
All units be advised. We're
Got
slightly
him.
ahead of the insurgents. There's still some time left, so don't let
Ugh. People in their cloaking devices. Hate them. No, I have a cloaking device.
Be advised, your replacement Titan will be ready in 60 seconds.
Wow. Could be doing a lot better this match. Nonetheless, awesome. Awesome things we had. No, would not be kicking me in the face. I will be hitting you in the back. Yes. I killed FNAF Gamer. Mission complete. Target has been hit. They have killed FNAF Gamer. FNAF Gamer has been slain for 30 rounds. Ow. That hurt a lot. That hurt a sizable amount. Now it's time to return the favor.
Pilot, we're pulling even further ahead of the militia. You're doing a fine job.
Well
Let's
then.
keep this space up.
Warning. Another Titan is attacking us. Warning. Core reactor ejected.
Shit. Oh shit. Oh, you like the moves? This is a fun game. Hello.
Your replacement Titan
Hello.
will be ready in 2 minutes.
That is a glorious film. Alright, we're about to win the match. IMC for the win. IMC for president. IMC. I am you. I am me.
We've almost secured victory, but the
Alright. Welcome to viewers in the chat. We are streaming Titanfall today. Should be an exciting little ride.
Your replacement Titan will be ready in
Now, I know what some of you are thinking, if you're thinking it. Why use the smart pistol? It's one of the most cheap weapons in the game. Because I'm not good at aiming on console, so I spend most of my time on PC.
pilots, we're still in the lead, but the militia are catching up. Stay vigilant. Don't let
Can't let
them
him
get
catch
ahead.
up. Oh my god. Wrecking me today. I need to get good, even though I'm second on the leaderboard. I need to get some pilot kills.
Nice move. Now finish the job.
Oh yeah,
Units, be advised. We are mission
forgot this was a thing.
complete. Nice work.
Be advised, the militia forces
Oh. Fine.
acknowledge. Stand by for Titanfall.
Alright, let's finish this up. Chase down those malicious militia. See what I did there? Militia being malicious. Hello!
There are still militia forces in your sector. Terminate with
Where are you? There you are. That almost hurt. Oh god. That is very impolite of you, mister. Oh god. Refuse to eject. I refuse. Noise. Noise kills. Noise deaths. Noise. Let's keep this going. Having a decent time out there. Not bad first match. Second place. Warming up. I have been told at level 30 I unlocked the final chassis for my Titan. Alright. Amped charge rifle. Oh, I thought you couldn't get an amped Titan weapon. That would have been so cool. Apparently I over-exceed the amount of cards I have by a gratuitous amount. It appears that most people here are level 50s. Alright, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have another fun match. On Demeter. Demeter? Nah. Have a fun time anyway. Man, is it hard to find people with mics these days. Like on Black Ops 3 and Titanfall, there is no one with mics. In the old days of Black Ops 2, people always had mics. That's why I think forced game chat is a good thing. You still have the choice to mute someone, but everyone's forced to use a mic if they have one. Let's bring forced game chat back, shall we? Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Or, if you're in the stream, twitch.tv/necrokicksYT, you can tell me right now. Tell me what your opinion is. I'll check comments after this match, see what we've amounted to. Well then. I see. Oh! Crank. It was a very mean move you pulled off there, Mr. Crank. That was a person. I see him. Oh, Mr. Pilot, your day of reckoning has come. Peekaboo! Ah, even though I did not snap your neck, I kicked your crap in. Bye, Crank. I remember when you killed me. Oh! Amped smart pistol, eh? Personal system alarm, what's that do? Replace ordnance weapon with something. And I'm dead. Yay! Isn't that just always a good time? Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Robot. I was going to kick a pilot or something, and then I just kicked a frickin' robot. He had a little happy face on him and everything. That was kind of sad. Uh-oh. Oh no! Hello again, Darkness, my old friend. Ow. Guy with his amped smart pistol. You know what? Two can play at that game. Or perhaps one can, and the other will fail miserably. One is about to happen.
Your Titan will be ready in 15 seconds.
Okay, one can play at that game. Thanks, Crank.
Titan online. Signal when ready.
Let's show him the what for, shall we?
offline.
The what for, what for?
Engage.
The 1, 2, 1, 2. Lay down the line, and you're behind me. That move.
A pilot is attacking your target. Warning. Multiple threats attacking. Caution. You are outnumbered 6-1. Warning. Pilot jet.
Oh god. That is a lot of Titans that are not going to be helping me in this fight. Come on.
The militia are pulling further and further ahead.
Kick him out.
Got to turn this around right now.
No. Oh, I think we got him anyway. Oh, people in good camping spots. Fine, I'll come after you again.
Replacement Titan will be ready in 60
Well then, people with their good eyes. Should probably stop running down the middle. So how's everyone's day, and then people with no mics? I am very intrigued by what you have to say. Compelling gameplay, as some would say. Let's see if we can give this guy a
The
little
militia
blow.
are pulling further and further ahead. We've got to turn this around right now.
Target him. Somewhere around here. He is somewhere around here. Ow. Oh, Mr. Robot. Seem to be having a wonderful time. You have fun with that. Oh, this one too? Oh, this one too? There's so many good working robots. Shh. He doesn't know that I am the spy. Sir? Mr. Titan. Titan, turn around. Enemy Titan, turn around. Yes, you, the guy with the face. Thank you. May I borrow your Titan for just a brief moment?
Your replacement Titan is ready for launch. Signal when ready.
Thank you for letting me borrow your Titan. I just need to mash all of its CPU circuits. There we go.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Wow, you're really hanging on to that Titan. Oh god, oh that's a friend.
Getting destroyed out here. We've got to do whatever it takes to turn it around.
Oh dang, we did get absolutely destroyed. Ow! Packet sniper. You automatically regenerate active pulse. Don't know what that is.
Acknowledge. Stand by for Titanfall.
All units abort mission. I repeat, abort mission. We are out of here.
See what we
Tactical
can't do.
withdrawal has been ordered. Dropship deployed for evacuation. Proceed to the nearest evac point.
Then let's make our way around. There's a guy up there. See if we can't screw him up.
Dropship arrival imminent. Proceed to the evac point before departure.
This is not ending well for me.